Hello friends. So far we're discussing about the don't care condition, and we discussed some questions related to three variable don't care condition SOP K-map. So now we will move to four variable K-maps. So we have this Boolean expression with us, which is the min term values and some don't care values. So as usual, the min term bracket values will mark as 1, and the don't care values will mark as x. 1, 3, 7, 11 and 15. So 1, 3, 7, 11, 15, and then 0, 2, 5. Okay, now we have to form groups such that all the 1 marked cells are covered. We can include the X marked cells, they assist in that, but it is necessary to cover the 1 marked cells. So here we can form a quad. Okay, let's use a different color pen. Okay, here we can form a quad involving cells 3, 7, 11 and 15, and then another quad involving cells 0, 1, 3, 2. Now you see this X marked cell number 5, it is left behind. So as per the rule of K-map simplification in don't care condition, it is not necessary to form another group to include this X marked cell. If it is left behind, then left behind. No need to form any group. It is necessary to cover the 1 marked cells. We can take the help of the X marked cells to form groups to cover, to include the 1 marked cells. But if a X marked cell is left behind, then no need to form any group. So there are two groups. So now we have to find out the common variables. For this quad here, the horizontal side we have A bar B bar common. Okay, nothing common on the horizontal side, the vertical side. For this quad here, in the vertical side we have CD common, nothing common on the horizontal side. So it is A bar B bar or CD. That is the simplified Boolean expression. Okay, so always remember this point. If an X marked cell is left behind, don't form another group, be it a pair, quad, octet, anything, to include that X marked cell. If it is left behind, then left behind. It is important to cover all the 1 marked cells for SOP and 0 marked cells for POS with the help of the X marked cells, okay, under groups. Okay, so here we have another question on 4 variable don't care condition SOP K-map simplification. So we have the Boolean expression given in terms of the min term values and the don't care values. So we'll mark the min term values as 1, which is 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 11 and 15, and the don't care values as x, so 13 and 2. So now we have to form the groups. So you see cells 1, 5, 9 and 13, we can form a quad here. Then we can form a quad with these cells 9, 11, 13, 15. Okay, 11, 9, 13, 15. This is one quad. Then we can form a pair here, and again we can form another quad with this. So you remember the rules of group formations: minimum number of groups, maximum number of elements in each group. Always the priority is given to a higher member group, that is first octets, quads, then pairs, and 2 to the power n members marked cells can be there in each group. So as per those rules we have formed the groups. Now if you pay attention, see here, this cell number 2, which is marked as X, is not included in any one of these groups, so it is left behind. There is no need to form any groups. So now we have to identify the common variables. So please pay attention here. For this quad, this quad involving cells 1, 5, 13 and 9, in the horizontal side there is nothing common, in the vertical side we have C bar D common. C bar D, this. For this quad involving cells 13, 15, 11 and 9, 13, 15, 11 and 9, in the horizontal side we have A common, the vertical side we have D common. Okay, this. Next, for this quad involving cells 9, 11, 1 and 3, 1, 3, 9, 11, in the horizontal side we have B bar common, B bar, and in the vertical side we have D common. Okay, D. And finally for this pair involving cells 8 and 9, so here in the horizontal side we have A B bar common, and in the vertical side we have C bar common. Okay, this. So this is the simplified Boolean expression. Okay, this. C bar D, AD, B bar D, and AB bar C bar. So this is the simplification of SOP K-map under don't care condition.